In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Classroom banner in a full 2025 guide. Customizing your Google Classroom adds a personal touch and can make your digital classroom space not only more visually appealing, but also more engaging for students. Whether you prefer creating your own images or selecting from pre-existing themes, this guide will show you every step along the way. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Google Classroom homepage. It's the central hub for all your classes, and customizing the banner begins here. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to and click on the class you'd like to modify. Selecting the class brings you to its unique area where you'll see its current banner at the top. Now, look for the option to customize the banner. It's usually a straightforward button or link labeled Customize. Clicking this will open up a new menu for banner-related options. Here, you can select a theme color. This is a great way to set the tone of your classroom immediately, and the color you choose can have an impact on how students perceive your virtual space. If you love designing graphics or have a specific image in mind, you can upload a banner you created. Make sure your design fits the dimensional requirements of Google Classroom for the best appearance. It's often best to use clear and simple designs as they render well on different devices. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quick customization without creating your own artwork, consider selecting a pre-made photo. Google Classroom offers various categories and options. You can browse through these photos and pick one that aligns with your teaching style or the subject matter of your class. Let's take a closer look at one of those categories, math and science. It's common for educators in these fields to use thematic images that reflect the course material, adding a bit of fun and relevance to the class visuals. Once in the desired category, click on the photo that you'd like to use as your banner. After picking an image that suits your needs, make sure to select the class theme that ties your selected photo to your classroom. This integrates your chosen banner seamlessly into your Google Classroom's layout. Finally, don't forget the last crucial step, clicking on Save. It's easy to overlook, but this ensures all your changes are applied and displayed every time you or your students access the class page. A new banner can make your classroom feel fresh and invigorating, an easy yet impactful change. And there you have it, a customized Google Classroom banner that reflects your personal